Okay, guys, since I don't have time to really do a craft, we're going to cook some buffalo chicken dip real quick. I like mine hot. You can do it all cold, but anyhow, and you can bake it in the oven if you choose. I mean, there's so many ways to make it. You can add green onions. You can add cheese. A lot of people add cheese. I do not add cheese because to me it makes it have a little bit of a greasy kind of texture and flavor on my tongue, and I don't like that. Okay, so I'm getting my cream cheese. This is 1 block of cream cheese. Use any kind you want, low fat, whatever, any kind you want. This is just 1 block. To that, I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of ranch dressing. Simple, simple, simple dip, guys. And I only had not quite a half a cup of, whoops, I wasn't even showing y'all, not quite half a cup of hot sauce. So, I'm using what I got. Normally, I would use a whole cup of ranch and 3/4 of a cup of hot sauce, and then you kind of, listen, you get it hot to your liking. If you like it a little hotter, put more in there. I mean, that's all based on what you like. That I quit cooking for some, I must have turned my stove off somehow. Let me go ahead and put it back here. Y'all can still see it. I'll show you anyhow. So I'm getting it mixed up. I want to get it good and mixed up. All incorporated. Oh, I know why that did that, because I picked my... Let me see if I can move y'all closer then. Because I can't pick my thing up. I forgot it's an induction top. And when I pick the thing up, it thinks there's nothing on it, so therefore it doesn't heat. It only heats where the boiler's sitting, I've learned. So anyhow, you mix this up real good. And again, we've got 1 stick of cream cheese, almost half cup of hot sauce, and I use Crystals. I love Crystals. Most people use Frank's hot sauce. Some people use buffalo sauce. Guys, it's all in your taste and what you like. But anyhow, and then not quite, it's about a little over 3/4 of a cup of ranch dressing is what I've got in here right now. And see how, can't hold it up too long, but get it melted. You want all your little tidbits melted in there. And then I've got two cups of shredded chicken, but you can see it's, whoops, it's kind of overdone a little bit. So probably 2.5 cups of shredded chicken in this amount. Normally we have 4 whole chicken breasts, or either 2 like those chicken breasts I cooked the other day. I would have used 2 large ones of them, but since I didn't have enough hot sauce, I just cut my recipe down. So you're still learning a recipe. 2.5 cups shredded chicken, 1 8-ounce thing of cream cheese, almost a little over 3/4 a cup of ranch, and then I tried to use a half a cup of hot sauce. I didn't have a half. It was just a little bit below a half. So just use a half a cup of hot sauce if you have it. In a 2.5 cups of chicken. That's not a whole lot of chicken dip right there. We usually make probably about double that amount, but I don't have enough of all the ingredients. And then all you do, dump your chicken in, have it shredded. You notice my chicken was shredded. And you dump it in, and then you just stir it around, and you put it in, we normally put ours in a crock pot to keep it hot. You can put it in the baking dish and bake it for about 20 minutes. And if you put it in a baking dish and bake it now, you could like sprinkle cheese on the top. There. Oof, I keep getting the wrong way. But you could sprinkle cheese on the top if you needed to or wanted to. I don't, like I said, I just don't like the texture of the cheese, so we never make ours with cheese. 4 simple ingredients. Again, I'll go over it. 2.5 cups of chicken, 1 cup of, 1 whole thing of cream cheese, 8 ounces, a little over right at 3/4 cup of ranch, and 1/2 cup of hot sauce. Boom. And you got awesome chicken dip. And we're gonna, later on, I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make with it. But let me get it good and smushed up and kind of mixed around, and I'll show you. I could have shredded mine a little bit smaller. Some of it's a little big, but it'll be okay for what we're gonna make with it. But you eat it with celery, you eat it with tortilla chips, Fritos. It's awesome good with Fritos. That's my favorite, with Fritos. And guys, you can season it. If you want to season it, use you some garlic powder, some onion powder. I season my chicken, so I don't season my mixture. I season my chicken when I cook it. I'm just kind of smashing it up some. Uh-oh. Hey, I'm live. I'll call you right back.
Are you about to do that class at 7?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Bye. Me and Kelly's supposed to take that class at 8. She's calling to make sure I'm still going to do it. Okay. And this is what we have, guys. The easiest, look at that. The easiest dip. 4 ingredients. Boom. It's done. It's ready. I could put that in a crock pot. Whatever. I'm actually going to leave it here and let it cool off a little bit. And then if I have time after my class, I'm going to make some buffalo chicken egg rolls. So maybe I'll get them done tonight. If not, I'll hopefully get them done tomorrow. But I'm going to try to get them done tonight after the class. I know it'll be late, but it's okay. It's okay. We do everything late around here. But anyhow, I love you. Y'all make sure to make y'all some dip. Let's go over it one more time. I had 2.5 cups of chicken, 1 8-ounce thing of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of ranch, and 1/2 cup of hot sauce. And that, boom, done. Like I said, you can add cheese. You can add green onions. You can add flavors if you want to. You probably could even add onions if you sauteed them first, but nah, I wouldn't want to do that. But anyhow, that's it, guys, for buffalo chicken dip. Somebody had asked me for the recipe the other day. That's why I said, well, it'd be just as easy to, instead of trying to look through all my videos and find it, it'd be just as easy to do it again. All right, love you guys. Bye.